Okay, right. I hope all of you are able to see notepad file. Okay. So basically, uh, each and every file will have an extension. Okay. So I'll tell you what is the meaning of extension. Okay. So for example, if I have opened no this notepad, so that will have .txt. Okay. .txt. For example, if I'm saving a file with FIT classes. Okay. Just I'm taking example. So two parts will be there. Okay. Each and every file name will have what? Two parts. So this FIT classes, what is this? File name. Okay. So .txt. Here .txt is what? This is extension of a file. Okay. So what will be the benefit of this .txt? Means what will the benefit of extension name? So I'll tell you. Okay. So one thing should be clear. So each and every file will have what? File name as well as extension. File name and as well as extension. Okay. Just I'll show you my screen. Like I'm having some multiple files so that we'll understand what type of files are there. Okay. Right. So just I'm showing you what are the different types of files are there in my system. Okay. What are the types of files are there in my system? Okay. For example, just see this. So this is a sample file, a DSC log something file. So if you click on this properties, go to properties. So what will be this type of file? Understand? So if you click on properties, select any file and click on properties. So then you will get this thing. Okay. So what is this? This is a file name. What is this? This is an extension. Understand? So basically each and every application will have what? Some default extension. Default extension will be there. Okay. So just we'll discuss some of the extensions. Okay. Okay. .txt is a notepad file extension. Okay. For example, word is there. Sorry, I have to write here. .doc or .docx. Okay. So this is the Microsoft Word file extension. Okay. If any file which is having this kind of .doc or .docx, then we have to understand that is a Microsoft Word file. Okay. Right. Next, XLS, Excel sheet. Next, XLSX. Okay. So if you're getting this, so then that is Microsoft Excel file extension. Okay. Like PPT, X, PowerPoint file extension. Okay. Right. Next, PDF files. Okay. So what is the necessity of this means? So basically, if you want to open any file, so some default applications will be there. Understand? Some default applications will be there. So for example, if I want to view PDF files, what type of application I need? Adobe Acrobat Reader and some kind of WPS Office, such kind of applications are required. Okay, so Adobe will understand that, okay, it is having PDF as a default, PDF as a extension. So I can able to open, understand. So these are predefined extension for any file names, understand. So if you're looking at if you're looking at extension as a .txt, then that is notepad file. Okay, similarly doc and docx. Next xls, xlx. Okay, so basically x is added for all the things. So basically for 2010, like that, such kind of improvements are there for extensions. Okay, no, nothing is changed in MS Office, like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint applications. Okay, right. So we'll see some of the options. I told you some basics about WordPad and Notepad. So like menus and what are the basic operations are there in Notepad and WordPad. Okay, so we'll see Microsoft Word. So if you have any questions, we'll discuss that questions in the end of the session. Okay. Right.
Sir, will you explain it again, please?
Please continue the class. I have not at all. Means just we showed this extensions only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. So all of you are able to see MS Word, right? So just similar to the Notepad, WordPad. So this is also having file menu bar. Okay. So basically, which contains which bar contains menus, that is known as what? Menu bar. So in the previous class, we have discussed about file, edit, format, view, help. So these options, these menus are available in Notepad. Similarly, what are the menus are available in MS Word? Home, insert, page layout, reference, mailings, review, and view. Okay, so we'll see what are the things are required for us. Okay, right. So next one more thing. So here in this, when I clicked on the menu, so I'm able to get submenus. Okay, so here what are the submenus? New window, open, save as. So these are submenus that are inside of file. Okay, file menu. So menus contain submenus. Okay, sub options like options. Okay, right. So here undo, redo, this kind of options are there in edit menu. Similarly, here I'm having what? Some kind of options. Understand, some kind of options. Okay, so they have not given the naming, but so they have given that directly like a graphical mode. Understand, graphical mode. Okay, so in the previous case, you have format menu. For example, just I'm taking a simple example. So how can I extend? How can I increase the file size? Just click on this format menu and go to font option, and then select the font size, style, and as well as size. Okay, whichever you require. Okay, whichever you require. Okay, right. So similarly here also, I'm having the options here itself. Understand, here only. Okay, right. First option, first one, what is that? So this is font type. Okay, so Arial, Calibri, and Times New Roman. So in multiple things are there in this font. Okay, so no need to go to again format menu and understand. Just they've given you simple options. Okay, how can I increase size, font size? Just have to choose the size from this drop down menu. Okay, right. Next, so here, so please mute whoever is not in the right place. Okay, right. Okay, so these are some formatting options. Okay, just if you type this, you'll understand. Okay, okay, somehow the bigger font, understand, somehow the bigger font. Okay, right. If I'm typing this, somehow the normal font, understand. Basically these are alignment operations. Okay, alignment operations. Okay, right. If I want to make them in bold format, just select this. Okay, how can I select? So by selecting from the mouse, or else keep your cursor here or at any place. Just shift left arrow. Okay, if I'm there, just shift left arrow. Okay,
Yes,
if I'm
sir.
here, Okay. So if I want to select entire thing, Control A, Control A. So these are some shortcuts. Understand? I have already explained in this from this. Okay, just see this. Control Select. Okay. So Control A is option for
Sir, ये rate
selecting
chapter क्या बोले
everything.
थे?
So I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you. So don't. So we'll discuss the other things in the end of the session. Okay. Right. So Control A and selecting that and click on bold option. Okay. Click on bold. Okay. So what will happen? The entire text will be comes to bold. Okay. If I am selecting this italic option. Okay. If I'm selecting this underline option, so what will happen? I'm getting underlined text. Okay. Right. If I'm selecting this striking off text. Okay. I told you that what is the meaning of this subscript? This is superscript. Okay. I'll tell you. We have already discussed that. Just x square. How can I make it x square? Just select this 2 and
down.
option. Okay. Click on this option. Okay. So if I want to make this H2O. So H2O. Just to click on this and select this and make it as 2O. Okay. So 2O. So what will happen?
अम्मा उसे कॉल कर को लिफ्ट अच्छा करते हैं लिफ्ट ऑन है तो देखो आ गएंगे ऊपर को लिफ्ट में सर को मम्मा क्या क्यों बोलता है कि नहीं क्यों लिफ्ट शॉक मारता है बोल उसे
who are not there in right place please mute. I already told you that I cannot mute because some of them are having questions. That is the reason. Please mute or else I'll mute entire persons. Okay. I hope not an issue because so this will be irritated for other people. That is the reason only. Okay. So don't think otherwise. Okay. So I told you that these are some formatting options. Okay. For example, I'm writing that hi. Okay. Just make it color text. Okay. So what will happen? Background color will be changed to yellow. Okay. Right. If I want to change to other color, just click on this and make it as color. Okay. If I want to make the text as different color, right now it is in black. Okay. So just I'm getting the red color option, red color font text. So these are what formatting text options. Okay. And one more thing, these are what. So if I want to write, for example, paragraphs, so these options will be left alignment, right alignment, and center alignment and justify alignment. Okay. For example, I'm writing some, just I'll copy some paragraph from Chrome. Just a minute.
Hello, sir. Unnara?
Oh, no. Okay, just a minute. Okay. You have any questions?
Hello, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Just I have copied some text. Okay, from the internet. Okay. Okay. So see here, just I have copied some text from the internet. So just to show that these paragraph options. Okay. Right. So just I'm applying the paragraph options. So then you'll understand. Okay. Just see here. Okay. I'm selecting entire thing because I need in a right format. Okay. So just click on this. So what is happened right now? So it is left alignment format. Okay. So just click on this center format. Okay. So each and everything will be from center format only. So here right side. Okay. Here justify means each and every. For example, if you observe the previous cases, the first text and the last text, so these are properly aligned. This is what center alignment. Understand center alignment. Okay, right. Next, see here, I told you that these are bulleting format. I'll tell you that them next in the next. So see here, selecting this. So just see here the difference between two consecutive lines. Okay, for example, first and second line having some less length. Okay, so if I want to increase the size, how can I just go to here and click on this 1.5? Okay, if I want to more, just go to 1.5, 1.25. Sorry, in previous case 1.15. Okay, 2.0. I hope it understand. Okay, so how can I increase the spacing between two lines? Let's go to paragraph menu. This option. Okay, right. So next one. So if I want to draw a table, so basically these are also some types of paragraphs. Just see here. So I'll move the cursor to there. So you'll observe the heading means format. These are templates. By default, templates will be there in MS Word. Okay, by default, templates will be there. Okay, right. So these are some home options. These are some options are there. Home. Okay. So if I want to apply background, okay, for the text, just click on this. Okay. For example, next one. If I want to draw a table, okay. So by simply writing, dragging and dropping, you'll be able to get the table. Understand? So if I want to increase the size of this borders, how can I do? Just go to this and 4.5. Okay. Select entire thing. Okay. So like this. So these kind of options are there in home. Right. Next, insert. So here, basically each and every menu will have name itself. Okay. So for example, home means what? So basically in home, all the basic items will be there. Basic options will be there in home. Right. Next, in insert menu, what will be there? If I want to insert a table, if I want to insert a picture, if I want to insert a chart, if I want to insert a hyperlink, okay, I'll tell you what is the meaning of hyperlink. Okay, if I want to insert header and footer, if I want to insert page numbers, in such a case, I can have to use insert option. Okay, right. So just see here, just I'm taking a table. So if you're able to see this, how many, for example, if I want to take 7x7 table, okay, 7 means 7 rows, 7 columns. Okay, so just copy this, just take this. Okay, right. That is enough. Understand? One more option also there. Right. What is that?
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yes, you can ask me now.
Sir, about subscript and superscript, sir.
Okay.
If we have a chemical equation such as C2O plus H2O, something like that, if you want to arrange the two, how can we arrange that whole process in a superscript model, sir?
Okay.
If you want to select only one at a time, or we can select whole sentence at the time and we can arrange it.
Okay. I know a little bit of chemistry. Just will write if anyone chemistry.
Any random equations, sir, no problem. Which contains 2 and 3 like that combination. That's
so, okay. Is it correct, right? Okay, CO2 there, no? Okay, okay, right. So see here, if I'm writing this, no, so just if you are looking into this, just some kind of things are required. So one of your friend asked that how can you arrange? Okay, just I'm typing as it is. Just what I'm doing now, just select this 3, and so 3 will be come into the subscript only because we are not right. So CO power 3, right? Just select this. Okay, then 2 also there. Just
so for everything we need to select once or we can't do it for whole sentence at once, sir.
Yes. If you're doing no, what will happen means entire thing will come to understand. If entire thing will come as a subscript only. Understand?
Only no, sir. If you have any bunch of equations like we want to written now, sir.
Okay.
We want to select the every letter once. It will take a time, no, sir. They tell me short.
Okay. So I actually we have to select one thing by one. Okay, one after the other. Okay.
Okay,
so
one at a time, sir.
Oh, yes. And
okay, there is no shortcut for that.
So no shortcuts are there, but some equations are there. I'll show you if we have.
Okay, sure.
Lucifer, don't write anything on the system. Okay. So already people are disgusting with Pushpa. Okay. So don't write. Okay. So if you want to make it fun, just go and okay, go outside and do. Okay. Right. Okay, insert. I told you that what are the meaning of insert? Basically, inserting objects. Such kind of options are there in insert menu. Okay, right. I told you that table. Okay, so we can drag and drop like how many tables are required. Just selecting and okay. So if I want to draw table, insert table. So insert table. Okay, if I require 5 columns and 2 rows, then I have to choose this option. Understand? Okay. Right. Next one. If I want to header and I'll show you by one. Okay, first. So if I want to get a page number, for example, right now only one page. How can I see how many pages are there in this document? Just go to here. So this is called status bar. Basically, status will indicate that how many files are there, how many pages are there, and where we are in. Okay. Right now, no words are there. Okay, no words are there. Okay. Right now, only one word is there. Okay. If I'm giving one more word, 2 words are there. Understand? So this is explaining. Okay. This is explaining. Okay. Right. Next. So see here. Next one. Sorry. I told you that page numbers are there. No. Just. So I can get page numbers on top of that and the bottom of that. Okay. Right. So just I'm taking top of that only. Okay. So just I'm closing this. So right now only one page is there. Right now only one page is there. Just a minute. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. So right now 2 pages are added. Okay. Yes. Who is there?
Yeah, Vinod sir. ఏం చేస్తున్నారు సార్?
అంటే నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. ఏం చేస్తున్నారు అంటే?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తున్నారు సార్ అంటున్నా.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చావా?
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చా సార్.
ఓకే విను. ఓకేనా? లేట్ గా జాయిన్ అవ్వు. ఓకేనా? సో వాట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్?
వినోద్.
Okay, Vinod, one thing is required. We required some. Hello.
Sir, ఇది ఆల్రెడీ ఎవరు టైపింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా సార్? అది
అవునండి, ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాము చాలా టైం చెప్పాము, అయినా స్టిల్ వాళ్ళు అలాగే చేస్తున్నారు. ఓకేనండి.
So you can't do anything from that side, sir.
No, I already checked that option. Okay, I have already checked for that option. Okay, so that is the reason only. Just
anybody who want to leave the class, you can don't create disturbance.
Guys, please don't write on the screen here.
Okay,
please.
How many times will sir should say okay? There is some limit for everything. Please.
Yes, that is the reason. Okay, and one more thing, please, whoever joining, just join at the starting of the class only. Okay, and don't ask me em cheptunnar sir. Okay, such kind of options, such kind of things I don't require. Okay,
there should be some decency. Okay,
some decency is required. Okay, so one more thing is that we basically so whoever joined in means distance education, definitely, so they are thinking for betterment only, means they're busy with the life. Understand? So whenever they're getting time, they're focusing on the higher educations only. Okay, so try to join in the regular timings only. And don't join in the middle of the class. Okay.
Okay.
If I already told, okay, no problem. Just not only you, just I'm saying for the remaining people also. Okay.
Right. Yeah, okay sir, no problem.
Okay, right. Okay, right.
స్టాప్ చేసేసాను సార్, చాలా మంది ఎవరు రాస్తున్నారో తెలియట్లేదు.
నేను ఇప్పుడు స్టాప్ చేస్తానండి, మళ్ళీ షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. యాక్చువల్ గా whenever I'm seeing that they're writing something on the board, no, just I'm sharing the screen again so that you will feel that nothing will be there in the screen. Okay,
ఎందుకంటే ప్రీవియస్ లెక్చర్స్ కూడా అలానే చేశారు.
అదే అండి, ఆప్షన్ చూస్తున్నాను, కాకపోతే I'm unable to getting that option. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
So,
just you carry on, so no problem.
okay, right.
Just leave them.
Okay,
That's all.
right. Okay. So right now where we are in, so we are inserting the page numbers. Right now we are inserting the page numbers. Okay. I told you that we are adding the page number. So basically I told you that inserting the options. Okay. Inserting options like table will be inserted into document. Page numbers are inserted into the document. So inserting options are there in insert menu. Okay. Right. So some of the people will thinking about where the options are, where the options are there in. Okay, in such a case, we no need to worry about it. Understand? Just we need to understand. Okay, so such kind of options are there in this menu. Okay, that will be benefited. Okay, right. So if I want to insert any page number, just go to page number. Okay, I can get page number top and bottom. Okay, and one more thing, page number margins also. I'll show you that margins in the next. So right now I'm getting the page numbers in the top of the page. Okay, right. I can also change the view. Okay, just it will be in the left format. So just make it as okay middle of that. Okay, so then I'll get a page number. Okay, right. So one more thing, header and footer. So basically header means top of the page. Footer will come in the bottom of the page. Okay, so what will the benefit of that means? So if I, for example, same text will be applied to the if I'm supposed to apply same text in header as well as footer. Okay, header and footer for entire pages. Okay, for entire pages. For example, 600 pages are there. Same text will be applied. Same text will be required for all the pages. In such a case, how can I do? Just go to header and footer. Okay, right. For example, I'm writing FIT. Okay. So here the fourth page also I'm getting FIT. Okay. So what will the benefit of that means? So entire page will get the same effect. Understand? So basically, if you are looking at books, so they will give some like some publications. For example, XYZ publications are there. So in such a case, what they will do? So just they will use header and footer option. Okay. So then all pages will get affected with the required text, the header or footer. Okay, right. So some people may get in pages also. Okay, right. Next. So basically one more thing. So what is the meaning of hyperlink? Okay, hyperlink. I'll tell you what is the meaning of hyperlink. Okay, okay. See here, if I'm writing, okay, right. So just I'm typing this google.com. Okay, just right now it is in underline format. That is the reason we are getting underline. Okay, underline only. Okay, so just click on this, underline will be gone. For example, if I want to, for example, a user has there, if a person is there and moving the cursor to there, so I have to go to Google page. How can I do? Just go to insert menu and select this entire text and go to hyperlink. Okay, just go to hyperlink. Okay. Just a minute. So see here, I think text will be changed. Okay. So when I'm changing, no, just if I want to change anything, just Control Z. Okay. So what will happen? Undo actions will be happen. So what is the meaning of undo? So backing of means whichever the action I have done, that will be cancelled. Recent action. Okay. Okay. So here I think it is not getting highlighted. Maybe some problem with this. Okay, not an issue. So basically, what is the meaning? Okay. So just here you are able to see hand symbol, right? So on top of the text, you are able to see hand symbol.
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay,
yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So basically, what is the meaning of that means? Hyperlink. Okay. So when I've clicked on the text, the redirection will be happened. Okay. Right. So next one, if I want to draw any line, okay. For example, just I want to draw this kind of lines. How can I do? Just drag and drop options. Okay, drag and drop options. Okay, so these when I have clicked on this, when I have selected this object now, so I'm able to get these kind of options. Okay, so what is the benefit of these options means? So some layout options. Okay, some layout options. Okay, 3D effects and rotate option also there. Okay, rotate. So what has happened? So right now we draw a horizontal line. Now it came to vertical line. Why? Because of I have used rotate right by 960 degrees. Okay. So these are some options are there. Okay. So when you have gone through it now, you'll able to understand. So basically this is type of adding a object, adding an object or shape. Okay. Like next one, if I want to add any picture. So just okay, just select this. Okay. So basically the image should be there in your computer. Okay. Basically you're adding what? An image. How can you? So just click on this pictures. Okay. Click on this pictures. Okay. By default, the computer will have some default pictures. Okay. The MS Office will have some default pictures. Okay. Clip arts. Just type here flower. Okay. So you are able to see some images, right? Okay. So just I can increase the size of them. Okay. So that are some different types of options. Okay. Right. Next.
One question, sir.
Yes. Okay.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు అక్కడ ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్ లో సెర్చ్ చేశారు కదా?
అవునండి.
సో అది అంటే గూగుల్ లో అంటే ఓన్లీ లోకల్ లో అంటే
లోకల్ నుంచి వస్తుంది. How I will tell you. So he is asking that. So where the files are downloaded means where the files are getting from where. Just I'll show you.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు URL తో పిక్చర్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయొచ్చు సార్?
చేయొచ్చు. Just a minute. Okay, I'll share my screen again because. Okay, so he asked that how the files are downloading or how the files are getting. Okay, so say here, so the basically whenever I have installed any application, so program files, so the application folder will be stored in program files. Program files are 86. Okay, this will be the folder will be shared in this. Okay, so here in this I'm having Microsoft Office. So here in this clip arts. So basically whatever the images are you are seeing, no, that all images are known as clip arts. Okay, so whatever the images are there, so from here only that will be getting, understand? So whenever you apply, whenever you have downloaded this MS Office, no, by default this will getting that options. Okay, so the package will have that options. Okay, so it is not getting from internet. Okay, right. Okay. Next one. So someone asked that how can I write any equations like some, if I want to write big equations, how can I do? So just you are able to see insert, right? Insert in the last part, you're having that equation symbol. For example, if I'm writing this, no, so some default options are there, some default equations are there. Okay, just I'm writing here, just I'm selecting this. For example, a square b square is there, no, just taking that 4 I'm writing 4. Okay, here. So from this you can able to change the equations. Okay, so here in these options are there. For example, so but some default equations are there. Okay, so all of you know about E equal to mc square, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, For example, how can I do? Just I have to use 2 from here and use superscript. Okay. One, we'll check that option is there in this equation or not. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. We'll make from here. Okay. Right. I'm writing him MC here and I'm writing 2 here. Understand? So just we have to manage, we have to understand how can I make an equation from this? Okay. Just I have to write here understand? So from this I'm able to make my equation. Understand? So these are different options are there in insert menu. Right. Next one, page layout. Okay. Sorry. Page layout. Okay. Right. So yes.
Sir, just now I got it hyperlinking, how to hyperlink with the what's the direct to website, sir.
So you're asking about how to make a web how to make a direct link
No,
with
no,
the
sir.
Word?
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay,
direct
we'll
link
do
with
it.
How to insert a picture link to the Word document?
Okay, we'll do it. Okay, we'll do it. Okay, okay, right. So just we'll discuss something and we'll see the same options in the.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, hyperlink lo maname create chesukovala.
అవునండి జస్ట్ మన వన్ థింగ్ అవునండి యాక్చువల్లీ ఏంటంటే హైపర్ లింక్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే బేసికల్గా నావిగేషన్ అనమాట సో వెన్ యూ క్లిక్ డౌన్ దట్ నో సో దట్ ఆప్షన్ విల్ గో టు దట్ ఓకే విచ్ ఎవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ఓకే సో విల్ సీ దట్ ఆప్షన్
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇన్ తెలుగు సార్
ఓకే నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నానంటమ్మా ఓకే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను టెక్స్ట్ రాస్తాను ఓకే FYT అని టెక్స్ట్ రాస్తాను ఓకే సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు చెక్ ప్లీజ్ గో టు దిస్ లొకేషన్ అని చెప్పి రాస్తుంటుంది అనుకోండి ఓకే అక్కడ మీకు లింక్ అనే పొజిషన్ లో మీరు ఏమిద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు ఒక లింక్ జస్ట్ ఒక హ్యాండ్ సింబల్ లాంటిది కానీ ఎప్పుడన్నా క్లిక్ చేయగానే ఏమవుతుంది వేరేది ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది ఓకేనా అట్లాంటప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే హైపర్ లింక్ అనేది ఇవ్వాలి సో బేసికలీ వీ యూస్ హైపర్ లింక్ ఫర్ వాట్ నావిగేషన్ ఓకే నావిగేషన్ సో బేసికలీ వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ నావిగేషన్ వెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ క్లిక్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ so it will go to other location okay whichever you have given okay so we'll see that option in Excel okay why because this not this
yeah
sure.
website కూడా ఓపెన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్
ఓపెన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు
सर अभी मैं वो hyperlink का मैं सिस्टम पे कर
okay right lack of disturbance is there so just I'll show you some of them have asked that hyperlink option చేద్దామండి please mute okay please mute all of you because okay so no problem we'll do it okay I'll tell you that how to do a hyperlink option okay right so please mute everyone right next we'll finish this page layout and reference and view just it will take 5 to 10 minutes okay so then we'll do it okay right so here so basically this is a type of portrait okay so I'll tell you what is the meaning of portrait orientation so just click on this so what will happen somehow the extension of file will happen okay horizontal page will get in a landscape okay vertical page will get in a portrait format okay right next A4 A3 A6 these are some pages okay basically if I want to print any for example some pages are required A6 format only letter format only legal format only in such a case so we have to do just we have to select the page whichever you want to take okay then you have to adjust okay right next one so see here basically in newspapers we are getting out some 2 to 3 pages understand 2 or 3 pages okay I'll show you okay so what has happened so doesn't have any space here yes it is having space but why it is getting there I'll tell you think some mouse problem is there. I think just a minute. Okay, is it right now, right? Just see here. So here I'm getting what two columns. Okay, the same text is appearing. Sorry, the text is appearing outside of it. Okay, why it is getting? Because I have used 2 columns. Similar, I can make this as a 3 columns also. I can make 3 columns also. Okay, so basically in newspapers you will see this kind of options. Okay, this kind of options you'll see in newspapers. Okay, because they will have an entire page in multiple columns and multiple subjects. Okay, multiple subjects. Okay, right. For example, if they're writing some different topic in one column and they'll write different topic in another column. Such kind of things will be there in newspapers. Okay, for that purpose they'll use this kind of columns options. Okay, right. Next, margin. So margins are there. Okay, margins I can make. For example, basically margins means, so what you will do with the margins? For example, when I'm writing and record anything or notes, what I will do, just I will draw a line on the page. Okay, left and right and all the side. Only in the middle of that page only we'll write. No, similarly we can do it. Okay, so who told you to write from here? With the help of margins only. Okay, with the help of margins only. Okay, just we'll select that options. Okay. Okay, right now G has been placed at in the different position, right? How it happened? Because of the help of margins only. Okay, right. So whenever when any person is writing any notes, so in a word, what they will do means, so just they'll ask margins. Understand? So what is the benefit of that? Means all the pages will be cleared manner and neat manner. Understand? Okay, right. Next one. So if I want to apply entire page color, how can I do? Just go to page layout and apply page color. Okay. So if I want to apply border, okay. So however you are giving borders to the pages. Similarly, how can I do? Just click on this page border option and
style.
Okay. Then I can able to see borders for all the pages. Okay, right now only one page is there. When I'm going to second page, okay, right now two pages are there. Right? Okay, so for all pages border will be applied. Okay, border will be applied. Okay, right. Next, you can change the font color also, font size also. Okay, so one more thing, watermark. So for example, whenever you're writing any exam now, so for example, theory exams, so they'll have some emblem, right? So on, for example, confidential, such kind of options are there. So if I want to write custom watermark, text, if I'm right, if I have to, what I have to do, just to select the text. Okay. So just, I'm using what? AOU. Okay. So I'm able to, are you able to see the watermark on the page, right? For all the pages will be.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So if I want to change that also, that we can change. Okay. So remove also option there. Okay, remove option also there. Okay. Right. So just a minute. I'll open that Excel. So we'll see option from there. Okay.
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, if we can insert the number of pages, 4 or 5, the matter is completed in 2 pages. How can we remove another pages, sir?
How can you remove another? Okay, multiple pages. Okay, right.
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. For example, how many pages are there right now? 2 pages are there, right? Okay. For example, whenever keep the cursor in down of the page. Okay, down of that end of the page in the first page. Okay, end of the first page. Okay, just go to click on delete multiple times. I'll tell you what does it mean. Okay, it is deleted, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one more option also there. think it is not getting the delete option from here. Okay. 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 No, not an issue. Just we have to go to bottom of the page and just use delete button. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that will be benefited for if I want to delete any option. Okay.
Sir, this is
Yes.
Mourya. So can
Yes,
we
Mourya.
extend the pages as just like this in reverse?
Yes. Yes. Actually, here in MS Word, whenever you have clicked on enter, no. So after the end of the page, for example, if you are there in end of the page, first page. So if nothing is there in the first page to write. So in such a case, what you have to do means click on enter. Okay. So what will happen means, so by click on enter, new page will be added. Okay. So similarly, how many pages you want, just click on enter. Okay. Till that pages. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And one more thing, for example, in real times, whoever working on MS Word, what they will do means, so just they will click on enters for n number of pages, means like 10 to 12 pages. So what will happen means, so they will move the cursor easily. Okay, just a minute.
Sir, your voice is not getting.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Sorry, I'm on mute. Okay. Okay. Right.
Okay, sir. Hello, Pushparaj. ఏంటది?
వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తలేదు సార్.
ఓకే అండి, ఇంకా మాట్లాడలేదండి. మాట్లాడలేదు.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Sir, Harsha, sir.
Harsha, yes, tell me.
Sir, the doubts are that about superscript and subscript, sir, for equations.
Okay.
If you write the equation x squared plus y squared equal to 2ab, if you want to draw all the 2's in the superscript, we have to select each one of the 2, or we can select the whole one, sir. That's the doubt.
Basically, it depends on our things only. So I'll tell you, I'll write equation and show you.
Like a squared plus b squared plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square, or that thing, sir. You want to take all the 2's to the top.
Okay, I'll tell you. I think just a minute. Not an issue with the A. Okay. Okay. So there are two ways. One thing will be, so write the equation as it is. Okay. Don't no worry about superscript or subscript. Okay. So whichever you want to make it, just click on select the entire thing and place just click on this and use this as a superscript. Okay. And one more option also there. Just I'll tell you. Okay. Okay, right. So see here, just I'm taking this 2, whichever is there in superscript, just I'm copying here, understand? Okay, I have not at all used 2 right now, just I'm using the previously which is there. Okay, so that will be option. Okay, basically these are hands-on. Okay, for example, hands-on means whenever you're doing similar kind of task, similar kind of things, so you'll able to understand. Okay, this is a normal way we are writing.
One thing, sir.
Okay.
One thing, sir.
Okay.
For everything we want to do like that, it will take time, no, sir.
That will be take time.
There
Okay.
are a bunch of equations.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Actually, yes. So basically for
sir, please go to the home, sir. I have one answer
just a minute,
also.
Just a minute, okay, my dear, just a minute. So we'll clarify this Harsha question. Just a minute, okay, right? So basically, so these tool also available for writing the equations. So in real time, so they may use other tools, okay. In real time, they may use other tools. Understand? For example, you know about Photoshop, such kind of things, such kind of options, such kind of applications are there, no? So in that applications, there may be multiple things. Understand? There may be multiple ways to make form an equation. Okay. So basically, this is having some limited options. Okay. This will have some limited options. So what I'm trying to tell you means this also having some option. So in such a way that we can use. Okay. Definitely, you said, as you said, it will take a time. Definitely, it will take a time. Okay. So for that only, what happened? So they have given you some predefined equations. Okay. So from that you can able to make the equations. Understand? So what is this box basically? So from this box you can use the same equations wherever and whenever you have required. Okay. Right. So I hope it is clear. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
when we have this whole sums like this, for every time we have to copy paste or making a separate section by the scaling route. Why we can't replace that word when we are going to home page? The upside right side we have replace word.
Yeah? Okay. Yes.
That find word should be a 2, no sir. That time I will be replaced with the 2 square, no sir. The whole sentence.
No. Can you please tell me?
सर मेरा बोलने का मतलब क्या है, वो ऊपर रिप्लेस बोल के जो वर्ड है ना, रिप्लेस वर्ड में जाके मैं फाइंड वर्ड बोल दूं, जो भी जितने भी है पूरा कॉपी कर लेना, मैं सेंटेंस कर लेके फाइंड वर्ड में 2 डाल दिया, मैं नॉर्मल 2 है जो कि अपन को क्या होना फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से 2a 2 स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2b.
ओके समझ में आया. ओके. सो यू आर सेइंग दैट वो ऑप्शन भी है बोल के बोल रहे ना.
यस सर.
Okay. That is also an option. So what is saying that means we also having, just for example, just it is having, for example, wherever is 2 is there, just we can make a replace. Okay. So but one case is there. For example, just I'll tell you. I'll tell you now only, just a minute. Okay. Wherever 2 is there, I need to replace. I can replace. But one thing is there. Only one thing is there. Just a minute. Okay. One thing is that it will not come in the superscript option. Understand? So basically, it will replace wherever the options are, wherever things are there. Okay. Okay, right now only 2 in only some of the options, some of the fields only. Okay, so basically we cannot expect that as a superscript. Okay, we cannot expect that as a superscript. Okay, for example, if I want to change 2 as 3, okay, what will happen? We'll see. Replace all. I'm doing replace all. Okay, so replace option is what? Basically replacing a single digit or single thing. Okay, replacing a single thing. Okay. So here, what will be happen here in this? Here in this case, this is subscript option. Okay. Here in this case, superscript and subscript option. Okay. Find will be useful for what? If I'm having, for example, what
Yes, sir. I understand. If I have any mistakes, like if I am getting a spell mistake, afterwards I will find and clear with the replace word.
Okay. Right. Okay, just I'm explaining a simple example. FTT. If I wrote that FTT means instead of FIT I have wrote FTT. So in such a case, what I have to do? Just I have to make find with the FTT and replace with FIT. That will be very helpful. Okay. So we'll end this session.
It only works for the existing option, sir.
Existing option, and basically we require that. In which case that is required, we have to understand. Okay, thank you. Okay,
sir.
Okay, hello.
Sir, this is Mourya.
Yes,
Sir,
okay.
can we provide hyperlink as an encryptor, just like if I want hi.
So okay, we'll
Hello.
do it. We'll do it, Mourya. We'll do it, Mourya. We'll do it that in an Excel sheet. Okay. So okay. No, next session. Okay. So I'll continue. I supposed to show it now itself, but some other classes also there. Okay.
Okay,
and
sir, okay.
the time is also ended. Okay.
Sure. Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you.
Thanks for the participation.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Love you, sir. Love you so much, sir.
సార్ ఎప్పుడో వెళ్ళిపోయారు.
Sir, love you so much.
Pooja is sleeping.
Bye. Group లో పెట్టూరు bhai నోతులు.
శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్.
హలో మిస్టర్ పుష్పరాజ్.
క్లాస్ లో వచ్చే వాళ్ళు కొద్దిగా కామన్ సెన్స్ తో ఉంటే
ఏంది బ్రో అసలు
కామన్ సెన్స్ లేదండి.
అది దారుణంగా ఉన్నది బ్రో.
అరే ఏంటి బ్రదర్ అలాగా క్లాస్ లోని గ్రాడ్యుయేట్స్ అయ్యండి మినిమం డీసెన్స్ ఉండాలి కదా.
వస్తున్నారు క్లాస్ లో.
హలో బ్రో, అందరూ హైదరాబాదేనా?
అందరూ హైదరాబాదే బ్రో.
ఓకే బ్రో.
అంటే
చాలా మంది హైదరాబాద్
రీజన్స్ నుంచి వచ్చారు. ఇది ఓపెన్
అలా కాదు, ఇది ఆన్లైన్. బ్రో ఒక డౌట్, ఈ క్లాస్ అనేది అందరికి కామనా లేకపోతే ఏమన్నా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఏమన్నా?
అందరికి కామనే కదా బ్రో.